Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can sell and buy USDT on Kucoin. So first of all, log into your Kucoin account, and then here you will see this option of buy crypto. You will see three options here: fast trade, P2P and third party. And all of them can be used for buying and selling USDT. So let's see how we can buy USDT using fast trade. So click on it, and after that type in the amount. Suppose I want $100 of USDT, so I will type in 100 here and then select the option of payment. You can add your debit and credit card here, and there are P2P and third party options too. You can use them as well, and then just click on buy USDT. And the same goes for selling USDT. You can sell your USDT for USD dollar, and you can also sell your USDT for other options as well. So there are plenty of them, and this is just one method of it. The other one is P2P. Click on P2P here. We have a detailed video explaining this P2P method on our channel as well. So let me explain briefly how it works. In this, you have to select a person who is selling USDT and you will be paying them in USD. So make sure that you always select someone who has higher success ratio, which means that they should at least have 90% of completion rate of their orders. And you can also see the payment methods attached to them and also their range. This person only allows transactions between $10 to $1,000. You can also see the price, and then just click on buy and you will be able to do it. And for selling, just click on sell, and the process is same. And that's how you buy and sell USDT on Kucoin. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have any doubts, you can comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.